Today we're reading books about farming!
Today we took a field trip to Living History Farms.
So this machine, guys, is called a corn sheller. And this machine's job is to take all of those kernels off of the cobs. Of course, you can read about farming in history books and in textbooks, and you can look at the pictures, but until you actually come out to the farms and see everything happening as it would have, it's very easy to immerse yourself in that lifestyle and kind of get a real feeling of what life may have been like in those different time periods.
He's getting close to me.
We attached a horse to a little latch thing, and then the horse walked in a circle, and then it grinded the corn. To feed the pigs, you take a really big bucket of corn and just dump it over the edge, and they eat away. The pigs are cute.
Today, we're doing laundry as if it were actually 1900 without any electric laundry machines.
All right, who's ready to start?
We use a fork to pick up the laundry. Then we put soap on it. We washed it and dried it. We hanged it up.
Doing laundry compared to back then is a lot easier because all you have to do is just put it in machines and hit a few buttons. Whereas back then, you had to go through many steps to do it.
If I could talk to a farmer from the old days, I'd ask if the chores get old, because when I was here, they all seemed pretty fun. Farming has changed a lot over the years. I think kids would be surprised by the fact that you use more than just human power. You use horsepower and sometimes cow power. Today we had so much fun.